Have you ever finished a dance routine only to realize you've been pulling your shorts down or up the whole time? If your dance shorts constantly ride up, it's not just annoying, but it can make you feel self-conscious during your performance. The good news is there are a few reasons why this happens, and if you're making your own dance shorts, there are a few things you can try to help them stay in place much better. So today I'll share with you 3 of them. Hi everyone, it's Mom from Sparkly Belly. Let's get started. The very first thing is to make your dance shorts to your own measurements. Dance shorts are made from stretchy fabric, so a lot of ready-made shorts seem like they fit. You can put them on, move around a little, and they feel fine. But a pair of shorts that fits isn't necessarily a pair that fits you well. If your shorts start creeping upward after you've been dancing for a while, then maybe they simply weren't drafted for your proportions. Making your shorts to your own measurements is one of the best ways to get a comfortable fit that stays in place much better. The second thing is using the right amount of negative ease. Since dance shorts are made from stretch fabric, the pattern actually needs to be slightly smaller than your body so the fabric stretches to fit you. You may have heard terms like negative ease or stretch percentage before. But here's the important part. If the shorts are too small, especially around the crotch and thighs, they'll constantly want to work their way upward as you move. Dance shorts usually end around the widest part of your thighs, so if the leg openings are too tight, they'll naturally ride up. On the other hand, if they're too loose, they won't give you that smooth, sleek look we want for dance costumes. And if the waistband is too small, you guessed it, you get that muffin top effect. So getting the right amount of negative ease is really a balancing act. And here's something else to keep in mind. Different stretch fabrics need different amounts of negative ease. A soft, stretchy spandex behaves differently than a firm compression knit. So using the same pattern with every fabric doesn't always give you the same fit. So to help prevent riding up, draft your pattern with just the right amount of negative ease. Not so tight that they're pulled upward, but snug enough to comfortably stay in place. The third thing is using the right crotch depth. If you look at a pair of dance shorts, it's the curved seams like this one here. If those curves are too shallow for your body, especially if you have fuller hips, the shorts don't have enough room where they need it. Instead of sitting comfortably, they get pulled upward when you move, making the shorts ride up or even look uneven from side to side. A properly fitted crotch depth lets the shorts move with your body instead of fighting against it, and it helps them stay in place much better. And if you like to make dance shorts that are customized for your body, I have something exciting coming tomorrow. I'm releasing a brand new mini course where I'll show you how to draft a custom dance shorts pattern using your own measurements. Because you'll be creating the pattern yourself, you can adjust the fit, the amount of negative ease, the crotch depth, the length, and even the waistband finish to suit your preferences. And of course, I'll be showing you each one of these options. So instead of trying to make a ready-made pattern work, you'll have a pair of dance shorts that are specifically designed for your body. If that sounds like something you'd love, check out the link below to learn more, and I'll see you at the launch tomorrow. Hope this gave you some ideas to try. And if you want your handmade dance shorts to look polished and professional, you'll want to master sewing stretch fabric first. Watch this video next where I show you my favorite tips for getting clean and neat results. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!